Good morning, everyone. We are the 9A girls from KV number 2 CRPF Camp Lansing, Imphal, and we are here to present our sustainable waste to well aquaponics, a smart solar trap for production of insect-based fish feed. Our project tackles real-world problems right here in Manipur. We identified three major interconnected problems. Globally, insect pests cause significant crop loss, often up to 17.5% in India for major crops. This impacts food security and farmer income. Manipur faces a major fish supply deficit. Annual demand is about 56 tons, but local production is only around 36 tons. This shortage leads to high cost, low quality imported fish. To fight pests, farmers often rely on chemical-based control, leading to dangerous contamination of soil, water, and crops. As our problem tree suggests, these issues culminate in the core problem, food insecurity and environmental degradation in Manipur. The root causes are clear: reliance on chemical pesticides, low fish production, and extensive insect pest damage. Our solution must tackle all three simultaneously. This brings to the smart solar-powered insect trap for fish food. The design is simple, effective, and uses common materials like a plastic tub. The system uses a solar panel and an LED light mounted over a tub partially filled with water, causing them to fall into the water trap. These captured insects become nutritious, natural, and a free food source for the fish in the pond or tank. We can build our prototype using simple household materials like plastic tub, solar UV light to attract insect and fish from aquarium. This single model provides benefits. It naturally removes crop damaging insect without chemicals. It converts pests into fish feed, reducing the need for expensive imported and unsustainable commercial feed. It runs entirely on solar power. In short, our smart trap helps achieve multiple UN Sustainable Development Goals, including zero hunger, good health, clean water, and affordable clean energy. Thank you. Solar Trap is an innovative, cost-effective, and sustainable model for the future of aquaponics in Manipur.